Hi students, we'll solve problem on projectile motion. Theory of this projectile motion is discussed in our theory video part 1 and 2. You can refer for theory these two videos. Now in this problem, what is given, let's see what is the wording of problem. A particle is thrown with an initial velocity of 10 meter per second at 45 degree with horizontal. That means one particle, first particle you can say A, what is given for this one, u0 and theta 0 is known. Okay, for second one, another particle is thrown from the same position, that means point of projection is same, at an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. Its only angle is given, angle of projection is given, velocity is not given. Find the velocity of the latter is for second particle for the following situation. There are two different situations are given. Both have same range and both have same time of flight. That means for two different cases, what will be u0 means initial velocity of projection for second particle, that we have to find out. Now, what data is given, it will write here. First particle, what will assume here, say particle A. So for first particle, what is given for particle A, first particle. For first particle, initial velocity is given as u0 equal to 10 meter per second and theta 0 angle is given as 45 degree. For second particle which is thrown later, what data is given? So for particle B, since u0 is unknown, which one you have to find out, but it's a theta 0 is known. Theta 0 is given as what? It is 60 degree with horizontal. Now there are two different cases. Therefore, if we solve first case, in case number 1, what is given, both have same range. That means if both the particles have same range, for same range, that means for particle A and B, range is same. Therefore, you can use standard formula of range and will equate it, a range of particle A and a range of particle B. That means you can say a range of particle A equal to what? A range of particle B. Okay. For range, standard formula is what? u0 square sine of 2 theta 0 upon g. That means if you substitute here for particle A, so it is u0 square sine of 2 theta 0 upon g. This is for first particle. That means particle A. This is for particle A. And for particle B, u0 square sine of 2 theta 0. Formula is same, but here theta 0 and u values are different. This is for particle B. Now what is known for particle A, u0 is given, theta 0 is given. And for particle B, theta 0 is given, but u0 is unknown. Now here different terms are u0 and theta 0. Therefore, you can say you can cancel these common term. That is nothing but your g value easily you can cancel here. If you cancel this g and if you substitute other value, so for first particle A, u0 is 10, so this is 10 square into sine of 2 theta 0 means 2 into 45, means this will be sine of 90. This is for A, okay, this is for A, and for B, u0 is unknown and sine of 2 into angle is what? 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Now this is for B. Unknown term is what? Only u0. That means simply using calculator, if you will find out, this u0 answer comes out to be, this is 10.74 meter per second. So this is answer of first part of problem, first case, right? This is the answer. Same for case 2, what data is given or what is asked in problem. This is case 2. Now for case 2, what is given? It is both your same time of flight. That means you can say time of flight. Same time of flight. For same time of flight, you can say T of particle A means time of flight of particle A equal to time of flight of particle B. Now standard formula of time of flight is what? 2u0 sine of theta 0 upon g. This is formula of time of flight. This one you can say what are written is for particle A, and for particle B, as they are same, we can equate it. 2 sine theta 0, u0 sine of theta 0 upon g. This is for particle B. Now again you can cancel here common term so that calculation part becomes easy. Here g value is same, 9.81 will cancel. This 2 is also same on both the side. That means remaining part, if you substitute your values, u0 for a particle A is what? 10, sine of theta 0 is what? 45, equal to, here u0 is unknown, right? This is for B, this u0, and sine of this angle is what? This is 60 degree. That means easily in one step we will get what? This u0 for second case. Using calculator we will find out this one comes out to be 8.165 meters per second. So this is our answer for second part of problem. That means if you know basic part, all equation of range, equation of time of flight you have to recall. In some problems equation of path is required. Okay. For more updates about lectures or on online videos of projectile motion, just subscribe this channel and press bell icon. Thank you.